You probably already know that whey protein is an important part of your muscle building, but most people don't know the differences between three of its main forms: isolate, concentrate, and hydrolysate. The most popular among the three are whey protein, isolate, and concentrate. This video will be broken down into 5 parts. First, we will talk about why protein is so important for your gym goals. Second, why whey protein is the most popular options and its benefits. Third, the differences among whey protein isolate and concentrate. Fourth, why you should choose whey protein isolate or concentrate. And last, which one would be the best for you. So if that sounds interesting to you, then stick with the video till the end. We will also leave the timestamps in the description of the video so you can skip to whichever part you like. Hey everyone, welcome to Health Insiders. We upload weekly videos regarding health, nutrition and fitness. And if you like our content, then please make sure you subscribe and like the video for the YouTube algorithm. Let's get this video to 100 likes, and now let's begin the video. Before we get into the pros and cons of the different types, let's take a look at protein itself. What is it so good for, and how will protein supplements help you achieve your goals? Protein is without a doubt one of the most extensively used supplements on the planet. Protein supplements are used by everyone from amateur athletes to elite bodybuilders. It can take the shape of a snack bar, a meal replacement, or a trusty post-workout smoothie. The fourth use, post-workout, is clearly the most important advantage of using a protein supplement. Using a high-quality protein is widely regarded as essential for building muscles because it helps to build, repair, and protect lean muscles. A number of studies have found a direct correlation between post-workout protein intake and the efficiency of the recovery. Protein is also great for losing weight. It is filled with lots of micronutrients and plays an important role in protecting muscle mass while losing weight. This is especially important because losing weight comes from both fat and muscles. But if you can maintain lean muscles, you will be able to burn more fat, and this is why high quality protein is such an important part of most people's weight loss plan. Now let's look at why whey protein is most popular choice for protein supplementation, and there are 3 main reasons for it. First, whey is widely available. It is the byproduct of manufacturing of many dairy products like butter, cheese, and yogurt. Second, whey is very cost effective. Since it is so widely available, whey is a relatively cheap raw material. And third, it works. Whey is one of the best natural sources of protein available. And that is why it is considered as the complete protein, because it has all variety of important vitamins and minerals. And finally, let's talk about whey protein isolate versus concentrate. Broadly speaking, protein isolate and concentrate are very similar products and provide many of the same benefits. But there are some very few but very important differences that really sets them apart. First is the amount of the protein. Whey protein isolate has more protein per scoop. Since it is more concentrated product, it is usually 90% protein. Whereas whey protein concentrate is usually 80% protein or less. So make sure you take a look at the amount of the protein that the product has before you buy it. Second is the micronutrient balance. While both products are lean sources of high quality protein, whey protein concentrate has more carbs and fat since it is a less refined. This is a very important factor if you are trying to keep your macronutrient intake under control. And third is the cost of production. Since whey protein isolate undergoes additional steps of filtration, it is more expensive to produce. Also, because protein is most valuable micronutrient, the large concentration of protein in whey protein isolate boosts its value. As a result, while both products are relatively cost effective, whey protein isolate is usually more expensive to buy than whey protein concentrate. So why should you choose whey protein isolate? Basically, if you have specific training goals and nutritional requirements and don't mind spending a little bit more, then protein isolate could be a better product for you. Due to its higher protein and reduced carb and fat control, it is an ideal source of lean protein. It gives you unmatched level of control, allowing you to increase your protein intake without affecting your other macros. Whey protein isolate is also an excellent option for anyone looking to lose weight. It allows you to consume all the protein you need to build and protect muscles without any of the extras. It also means that you are more selective with your fat and carb intake, making sure that you are consuming high quality protein. Sure, you are paying a little bit premium, but if it is just the protein that you are after, then whey protein isolate gives you the best bang for your buck. Now let's look at why you should choose whey protein concentrate. Honestly, if you are someone who struggles to build muscle or you're on a budget, then whey protein concentrate is the product for you. The reason why it is an excellent option for hard gainers is due to its more balanced macronutrient composition. While it is still a lean source of high quality protein, its greater fat and carb content makes it an ideal for building mass. So if muscle growth is your ultimate goal and it is something that is challenging for you, then whey protein concentrate should help. Also, because it is less refined, many people prefer the flavor and texture of whey protein concentrate. It is considered to be smoother and creamier, which makes it more pleasant to take. With that being said, it is easy to understand why many people consider it to be an easier option. It is a reliable option that you can choose regularly without too much thinking or careful planning. You can increase your protein intake without having to adjust your other macronutrients as much. So in the battle of whey protein isolate versus concentrate, there is really no loser. Both are an excellent choice for boosting your protein consumption and have the potential to provide great gains. While whey protein isolate provides higher protein content, it is generally more expensive, and on the other hand, while whey protein concentrate is cheaper, it also has higher carbs and fat content. So which one should you choose? Well, that really depends on situation and goals. If you are serious about your training and want ultimate control over your macros, whey protein isolate is probably better for you. But if you're just starting out or need a little extra help with building mass, then whey protein concentrate may be a better option for you. Also, it is important to understand that whichever option you choose, protein supplementation alone will not get you the results that you want. In fact, most experts recommend that you should choose getting most of your daily protein intake from high quality dietary sources like dairy, eggs, and poultry. You can also check out our video about whey protein versus mass gainer if you are unsure about that. Alright guys, that is all for this week's video. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. It will mean the world to us. Also tell us in the comment section about your favorite part of the video and of any suggestions you have for the future videos. We love reading your comments and respond to every single comment from you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in next one. Peace.